Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make frame questions. Frame questions are essential tools for gathering detailed information. Unlike simple yes or no questions, they prompt a more elaborate response. They typically start with specific interrogative words, guiding the conversation to uncover precise facts. Mastering them will significantly improve your communication and understanding in various situations. To begin, identify the crucial piece of information you are seeking. Think about the statement you want to question and what part of it is unknown. For instance, if a sentence says she went to the store and you don't know the destination, the store is your key information. This initial step is fundamental for forming an effective question. Next, select the appropriate interrogative word. If you're asking about a person, use who. For an object or action, what is your choice? Locations require where and times need when. To understand a reason, use why, and for a method, how is perfect. This choice is critical for directing your question accurately. Finally, construct your question by following a clear structure. Begin with your chosen interrogative word, then add an auxiliary verb like do, does, did, or a modal verb. After that, insert the subject, followed by the main verb. For example, where did she go? This simple framework ensures your frame question is grammatically correct and easily understood by your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.